As you guys can see, Moon has the tracker back, but they didn't really send it like last time. Let's see if this. I wanted to make sure that it's secure. Oh, it's very windy today. Oh my god, it's a pink what do you call that? Bracelet. Is that no, not bracelet? I don't even know what you call that now. You guys know what I mean. Things are happening here again. But yeah, it didn't come with the rim. Is that what you call it? He has been without it for some days, so I guess he has to be used to it. But I ordered a new one that we can use. That has like those reflective things when there's cars coming, which I think is a good idea. So let's see, but this one should work. I think it's actually better because the lock system on the old one that disappeared was really bad, because you know, if you pulled too much it just opened up. But I guess it's also a security thing. And it's funny because the pink one that she has on now, again, this is so funny how the universe of manifestation works, because it's one that we just have had laying around for the longest time since I got my first cat, Perle, who died. Well, you guys actually have met her. Well, she died in, well, no, thinking about it, I actually think it was for our other cat, Silver, that I had years back prior to Perle. So yeah, it was never used, and it had the harness thing that I just cut off and used this when Moon until the other one is coming. You guys can't really see her with this, but I think it's fine, you know. Money! What's up, Money? So things are happening, people, once again. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. Now we can see where Moon is again. As we can see, things are already starting here. We're putting flowers in. It's so windy today. And by the way, so happy that you guys like the sound of the birds. I was a bit nervous about that. The neighbors, many birds, including owls and what is the animals that speak when you speak? I can't remember what you call them now. It's like pirate birds. Can't remember what they're called. You have it. You have your tracker back, Moon. Please do not drop this anywhere. Stop fighting. Oh, that's a whips. Mooney, do not play around with those. Well, she learned by doing, I heard she was saying. Well, that's true. It's so fancy that she has a pink. Oh my god, when I found it I was like, yep. Well, serious, it's Horus, right? So Moon got a tracker again. And I feel a little bit more safe. There's big roads on the other side. With this side there's just forest, but of course Moon is not always on this side. She does like to go to the other side and cross the double roaded, I don't know if you call it the highway. Well, I guess it's not a highway. Motorway? I don't know what you call it. Yeah, that was a little Moon update. Look, everything is blooming. Well, it's not best quality with the rim or the, I don't know why I can't find a word for it now. I made it as small as I could. Alright, we will let Moon go out and do whatever she needs to do. So now I can show you guys. This is the new. So it's this instead of what you guys saw last time. And then I just found this old. Well, it was actually new, but it just started peeling off. But you know, it's better than nothing. And I think this is, you know, in the long run, this might actually be better for her. And then it has this. So if anyone out there are aware of a better color, what do you call that? I don't know why I can't remember. I can't remember what it's called. But this, if there is something better for her, let me know. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh no, oh no. Hey buddies. Huh? Oh. This is all the birds. Oh my god, look people, the owl. Hi, beauty.
Hello.
Hi.
I like my papaya hang on, that's it. That's been my small papaya.
They're cute. Well, you're making a lot of noise, but they're cute. I don't think you guys can see it, but that's an owl. Hello, Mr. Owl. Hello, Mr. Owl. Hi. Oh, you guys saw the birds. I like my dad is like, well, he just drove off, so we can just go out, go in. Like, you want to see them? Well, now you guys saw them. Wanted to go out again with her pink. I don't know why I can't find that word. It's so windy. Well, at least you can be free, Mooney. It's like, it's still cold. I don't get why you want to. You just lay there. It's cold, Mooney. Have fun, baby girl. Here's some moon goodness. So now you guys saw the birds. I will say that it was actually a bit depressing being over there because I don't like that all the birds are just packed inside small cages. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. It's so sad, especially the owl. Did you guys see the owl? Moon, should we go out and just free them all? Is that what we should do?
I need you more.